Sick of your Jeep XJ sounding like a worn-out lawnmower? Or maybe your old exhaust finally gave up and you're ready to give your rig some growl. Either way, finding the best sounding exhaust can seriously upgrade both your ride's performance and personality. Today we're breaking down the top 5 best sounding exhaust kits for the Jeep Cherokee. All links to these products are chillin' in the description below, so check those out if something catches your ear. Let's dive into it. In 5th place, we've got the Flowmaster 40 series. This kit features a 2.5-inch aluminized mandrel bent tailpipe and their iconic 40 series muffler that brings that deep, aggressive tone Flowmaster's known for. It's a no-weld, bolt-on setup, perfect for driveway mechanics. It sounds bold without being over the top, which makes it great for daily drivers. The price is right too, especially if you want a solid upgrade without blowing the whole paycheck. Let's check how it sounds. At number 4 is the Flowmaster Super 44. Now this one kicks it up a notch with a richer, deeper tone compared to the 40 series. It includes the same mandrel bent 2.5-inch tailpipe, but with a Super 44 muffler and a sleek chrome/tip. This kit still installs with hand tools, and the chrome tip gives your rear end a clean, custom look. It's a killer choice if you want that mean street rumble. All right, let's hear it in action. Coming in 3rd, we have the BORLA Catback. Now this one's high-end, crafted from top-shelf T304 stainless steel and made right here in the USA. This thing's built to last practically forever and comes with BORLA's signature deep and throaty tone that performance junkies love. You get that smooth, high-flow design with zero drone. Plus, the million-mile warranty doesn't hurt. If you want sound and longevity, this is it. Let's check how it sounds. In the second spot, we got the Flowmaster FlowFX system. This is a sleek stainless steel catback setup with a straight-through FlowFX muffler and a polished tip that just looks sharp. It fits right into the factory hanger locations, so installs a breeze. Oh, the sound? Clean and modern. Not as rowdy as the Super 44, but definitely packs some attitude. Great for daily drivers who want power and tone without going full beast mode. All right, let's hear it in action. And finally, taking the #1 spot, it's the Dynomax Super Turbo. This setup is perfect if you want a smooth, mellow tone that's not too in your face. It comes pre-assembled with hangers, clamps, and everything you need for a no-hassle install. With mandrel bends and exclusive flow director tech, you get better performance and less drone inside the cab. It's quiet when you want it, but growls when you need it. Let's give it a listen.
Do a couple of revs.
So there you have it, folks. 5 killer exhaust systems that'll give your Jeep Cherokee XJ the voice it deserves. Whether you want loud and aggressive or mellow and refined, there's something here for every kind of Jeep lover. Remember, all the links to these products are right down in the video description, so don't forget to check those out. If you dug this review, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and let us know in the comments what system you're running. Catch you on the next one.